Hello everyone. Next topic is using VMware Workstation. So VMware Workstation is a powerful virtualization software that allows users to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. This is especially useful for developers, testers and IT professionals who need to create, test and deploy applications across different environments. So installation of VMware Workstation. So system requirements are: ensure that our system meets the necessary requirements like CPU, RAM, disk space. So supported host operating system Windows and Linux only. Installation steps. First we have to download VMware Workstation. For that we have to go to the VMware website and download the appropriate version for our operating system. Second step is the run the installer. So double click the downloader file to begin the installation. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Next one is the license activation. So if we have a license key, enter it during installation. So we can also use the trial versions. So next is the creating a new virtual machine. So we have to open the VMware Workstation. So launch the application after installation. Create a new virtual machine. So click on create a new virtual machine button. Choose between typical or custom. Typical mostly used for recommended for most users and custom for advanced settings. Next is the select the installation media. So choose the source for the operating system installation. An ISO file we have on the OS image, a physical disk CD or DVD, an existing virtual machine. So configure the virtual machine. So name and location. So give our VM a name and choose where to store it. So next one is the guest operating system. So select the type of OS we are installing, Windows, Linux and its version. Resource allocation. So resource allocation means allocating CPU cores, RAM and disk space based on our needs. Network configuration. Choose the network connection type, NAT, bridged or host only. Finish the setup. So review the settings and click finish to create a virtual machine. Installing the guest operating system. So power on the VM. Select our new VM and click power on the virtual machine. So we have to follow the OS installation steps. The virtual machine will boot from the selected installation media. So follow the on-screen instructions to install the operating system as we would on a physical machine. Managing virtual machines. So VM operations, power options, start, suspend, reset or shut down the virtual machine using the menu or toolbar. Snapshots, take snapshot of our VM state, allowing us to revert to a previous point if needed. This is useful for testing and development. Networking configuration. So NAT is nothing but network address translation. It allows the VM to access external networks through the host. Bridged. So the VM appears as a separate device on the same network as the host, suitable for servers. Host only creates a network that is accessible only between the host and the VM, ideal for testing without external access. File sharing and integration. Shared folders. Enable folder sharing between the host and the VM for easy file transfer. VMware tools. So install VMware tools in the guest OS for improved performance and usability. So this enhances graphics and mouse integration and enables a drag and drop functionality. Advanced features. Cloning. So create a copy of an existing VM for testing or backup purposes. Remote access. Use VMware Workstation to connect to other VMware servers or virtual machines over the network. So common troubleshooting tips, performance issues. So allocate more resources to the VM if it runs slowly. Network problems, check the network adapter settings if the VM cannot access the internet. So VM work start to check if the VM is work properly. Thank you.